how to upload files, multiple files, images, any files with Filepond and Livewire. Let's dive into it and see it in our Laravel projects. This tutorial, I can say, is for everybody that know Laravel, that works with Laravel, that's so this is what we are going to do at the end of it. So let's say I want to upload a payment receipt for this order. This order is showing unpaid. It's also that during the shopping, the user actually pick pay by transfer or pay by transfer. We have three mode of payment, either pay by transfer or pay by card. We have payment card, or either pay on delivery. So let's say they pick pay on transfer and they have made that transfer from their own end. So they want to upload the receipts. So they can easily, okay, we have already uploaded receipts here, payment receipt here. So we can view it. So this is the receipt they have been uploaded. So let's say we want to, this receipt, you don't like it or want to upload it. You can actually upload a PDF or image based on the platform they use to make that transaction. So let's say we want to upload an image. So this is 5 points. So just browse for the file. Just browse for the file and pick the my system that's been on for the past 2 months non-stop. So this is loading. So as soon as it's uploading, so once it's green, that's complete the initial upload, then we want to save it. So you click on save. So once you save, you see a lot. That's file uploaded successfully. So if you view it now, you see it's dynamic without any page first. So once you view it now, this is what we just uploaded now. So let me show you the code, simple code to implement it. Say inside the the customer upload. File upload. This is the file upload for that. After you have included the 5 point JavaScript and CSS file, and I download it on your npm it. So this is how you initiate it with append which works with direct with Livewire. So this is it. Wire ignore this. If it's uploaded, you want to disable the save button. So initialize it and process. So it's uploading will be true. Then you target the wire model for it. We name the file, our file name to the payment with. So we upload it like that. Then from the Livewire components, we have other. This is it. So this is where all the operation is coming from. So model upload. We pass the order. So once you pass the order, you can remove the temporary files, and this will actually save it. I've configured a file system for it, and that file system is named as avatar. I just upload it directly to avatar to skip it straight up. So it's something very simple. This is once we upload it. So we confirm we dispatch it. I'm using it where I have to click. We dispatch it. We disperse it and we can pass that disperse on the bleed component of order. Bleed component of order can use it, use the model, so it defend the delay that message will be made in the orders. So it's very simple to implement. Thank you.